Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Robinhood Gold. Review my usage experience. Robinhood Gold Review my usage experience offers enhanced investment features for Robinhood users. It primarily targets active investors who want access to advanced tools and increased buying power. Key features include increased instant deposits, margin trading, and early access to IPOs. Their website provides details on specific offerings and eligibility requirements. Robinhood touts its ease of use and transparent pricing. While they don't explicitly mention no hidden fees or no contracts, their pricing model is clearly laid out on their website. They position themselves as a user-friendly platform, especially for those new to investing, although Robinhood Gold caters to a more experienced crowd. Availability is limited to users who meet their eligibility criteria. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Robinhood Gold. Getting started was a breeze. I simply opted in through the app, verified my account information, and I was ready to go. Navigating the interface was intuitive, even for someone familiar with the standard Robinhood platform. I particularly appreciated the improved charting tools, which allowed me to conduct more in-depth technical analysis. The margin trading feature was easy to utilize and helped me to better manage my positions. I even used the increased instant deposit to quickly capitalize on a market opportunity, something I couldn't have done as readily before subscribing. I did have a quick question about the margin requirements, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the early access to IPOs, though access is certainly not guaranteed. One minor drawback was the slightly higher interest rate charged on margin compared to some competitors. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Robinhood Gold. It significantly enhanced my trading experience and provided tools I didn't have access to with the standard account. While it's slightly more expensive, the added benefits made it a worthwhile upgrade for my investment strategy. That's my overview of Robinhood Gold. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.